Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Splat Gun is probably one of the most exciting and versatile toys on the market, offering a unique blend of fun and friendly competition for both kids and adults alike, making it a fantastic choice for backyard battles, parties, or just a good old-fashioned water fight that promises hours of entertainment and memorable moments, all while encouraging active play and strategic thinking in a safe and engaging way. Number 5. Splatrball SRB 400 Rechargeable Water Bead Blaster. Get ready for an exhilarating experience with the Splatrball SRB 400. This rechargeable water bead blaster is designed for maximum excitement and fun. Experience incredible power with velocities up to 200 feet per second. Its semi and full auto action allows for rapid firing, making every shot count. Enjoy extended play with a 400-round magazine and a rapid-fire rate of 8 rounds per second. The rechargeable battery ensures consistent, high-speed performance. Adapt to your playstyle with the detachable stock for added stability and control. It's built for comfort during intense action. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to start right away. It comes with the blaster, ammunition, battery, charging cable, and essential safety gear. Your safety is paramount. The kit includes safety glasses and a water-activated target, ensuring a secure and engaging experience for everyone. What we like. Experience rapid-fire excitement with its impressive 8 rounds per second capability. This blaster sends ammo soaring at over 200 feet per second, ensuring a thrilling experience. If you're looking for intense backyard battles and a high-volume shooting experience, this is the blaster for you. What people say. It has thicker plastic, ABS, and does not feel cheap or flimsy. Substantial weight, aided by steel slugs. I've shot about 7,000 gel balls through it so far without any issues. Only around 1% of the generic gel balls that I bought break leaving the muzzle. Semi-automatic seems to be slightly less power than full auto based on full auto appearing to shoot straighter and slightly further. Number 4. Orby Laser Beam Sight for Gel Blasters. Introducing the Orby Laser Beam Sight, designed for seamless compatibility with your gel blasters and waterball splat guns. Achieve accurate aiming with ease. Get ready to enhance your gameplay in just 3 minutes. This device comes with everything you need for a quick and simple setup, including clear instructions. Experience a highly visible red laser beam that provides a precise aiming reference. This helps you save time and reduce wasted ammunition during play. Never worry about power running out. It includes 2 sets of batteries, offering an ultra-long battery life for extended use and greater convenience. Your purchase includes the laser sight, remote switch, toggle switch, wrenches, an aluminum mount, and batteries. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. Achieve pinpoint accuracy with its clear red laser beam. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes to set up. If you want to enhance your targeting capabilities and ensure every shot counts, this accessory is a must-have addition to your blaster. What people say. Goes really far at night. Quality is number 1, and the instructions are simple. And yes, it lasts a long time. Green one is bright and good material. It's not plastic, easy to attach, all around amazing product. Amazing upgrade laser. I had older style wired, kept breaking soldering on circuit board. This one has a on OFF push button. Much better. Number 3. Splatrball SRB 370 Blaster Kit. Get ready for an epic water battle with the Splatrball SRB 370 Blaster Kit. It's designed for maximum enjoyment and non-stop action. Featuring an impressive 375 water balls in its internal ammo reservoir, you'll have plenty to keep the fun going. Spend less time reloading and more time playing. Switch between safe mode for a break or unleash full auto for intense excitement. This blaster offers the flexibility you need for any scenario. Experience incredible speed, shooting up to 135 feet per second. It delivers a powerful and exhilarating experience with every shot. With the ability to shoot 7 water balls per second, the fun is truly endless. Keep the action going and dominate the battlefield. Enjoy the thrill without the mess. These soft, non-staining water balls break on impact, leaving virtually no cleanup behind. Just pure, unadulterated fun. What we like. Enjoy continuous fun with its internal ammo reservoir and a firing rate of 7 water balls per second. The soft, non-staining water balls mean virtually no cleanup after your play. If you prefer a more streamlined experience with easy maintenance and quick setup, this is a great choice. What people say. The gun is easy to assemble and use. It shoots gel balls accurately and with good force. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 2. Lnauy Splatrball Gun Charger Cable. Introducing the Lnauy Charger Cable, specifically designed for your Splatrball blasters. Ensure you have the right power source for your favorite toy. This charging cable is perfectly compatible with Splatrball models SRB 1200, SRB 400 SUB, and SRB 400. Please verify your model before purchasing to ensure a seamless fit. It features an XH3P connector with a 10.1 by 5.8 mm plug. The input is DC 5V, and it provides an output of 7.4 V for efficient charging. Your safety is paramount. This charger is equipped with multiple protection systems, including OVP, OCP, SCP, and OTP, to safeguard your equipment during charging. We stand by our product with a 30-day service guarantee. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. Ensure your blaster is always ready for action with this safe and reliable charging cable. It features multiple protection systems to prevent overcharging and short circuits. If you need a dependable power supply for your compatible blaster models, this charger offers peace of mind. What people say. Perfect fit and fast charging. It does what it says and works great. It works just as good as the original. Number 1. FXT Works Tactical Rear Stock for SRB Water Bead Blasters. Upgrade your water bead blaster experience with our specially designed tactical rear stock. It offers perfect compatibility, ensuring a seamless fit for your SRB 400, SRB 400 SUB, SRB 1200, and SRB 375M models. Enhancing your blaster is effortless. Simply remove the original rear stock and attach the FXT Works Tactical Rear Stock. It's designed for a quick and easy installation process. Looking for a reliable replacement? This tactical rear stock is a great accessory that provides excellent functionality and durability for your water bead blaster. We've engineered this accessory with your specific blaster in mind. It's the ideal choice for SRB 400, SRB 400 SUB, SRB 1200, and SRB 375M water bead blaster guns. We are here to help. If you have any questions or concerns about this product, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. We're ready to assist you. What we like. Upgrade your blaster's ergonomics and handling with this specially designed rear stock. It's a direct replacement for the original, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. If you're looking to improve the stability and comfort of your grip during intense play, this accessory is the perfect upgrade. What people say. The Splat Gun is easy to assemble and operate. It shoots gel balls accurately and with good force. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours of continuous play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.